In Shakespeare's time, the role of a writer, especially of a playwright who's writing for the general public and writing for the royal court, has to be political. So Shakespeare knows that everything he says is going to be scrutinised for its political significance. At the same time, Shakespeare is supremely fascinated by what a great leader or a king or a politician is like in their private life, the tension between the human being and the public office that they hold. So for Shakespeare, the role of the writer is to engage in an open-minded public debate about matters of political and social significance.